Welcome to our TeamGuru tutorial, how to log in into your TeamGuru account with our two-step verification. First, you have to enter your username, which is usually your email address, and your password. After you enter your credentials, please click on Login to TeamGuru button. And now you see that you are required to set up two-step verification for stronger security purposes. You do have option for 2 times to postpone your setup in case you need to log in into your account quickly, but after 2 times you have to set it up. And to set it up, you have to click this button. Please note that you will be setting up this two-step verification setup only once, so please follow these steps. First, install one of the mobile apps for two-step verification, either from your app store or you can choose one of our links. Second, please open the app, choose to add a new account and scan this code. If you are logging in through your mobile, you will have to click this Unable to Scan link and type this code to your mobile application. You can just copy and paste. And after you are done with that, now you will be able to receive one-time code, and once you do, you will just type this code in here and click Verify and Save. And after you hit Verify and Save, it will take you to your TeamGuru account. And the next time when you will be logging in, you will be required to enter your username and password. And now you will see that you are ready to enter your one-time code and log in. Please note that this one-time code is constantly changing, so whenever you are logging into your TeamGuru account, you have to go to your mobile app and get the code from there and type it in. And I would like to also mention, in case you lose two-step verification code, you will be able to click this link and send email to your system administrator, who has to verify your identity and reset your two-step verification in profile. And you will see the list of all your system administrators right here, so you can just send it to a specific one, or you can click send to all. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.